Happy evening, day students. Today, before teaching a regular lesson, I would like to explain you a very important thing, that is effective time management techniques or tips. I would like to propose 10 effective time management tips for you so that you can use time in the most effective manner that will help you to achieve your objectives or your goals. First thing is create a master schedule. So create a master schedule. So for this for this period, that is, you will be going to write NEET examination on 26th July. So you will be away, you will be getting 25 days there in the month of July and 1 month here in the month of June. Altogether 55 days or so. So you prepare a master schedule, what to do, how to do during these 55 days. Like that, you can create a master schedule. Then use an agenda. Every day, as soon as you wake up from the bed, you can write to do things. That is agenda. What to do, what to read, how to read, what to get at the end of the day. What are the contents you have learned on each and every day, and that you can so the point is, so that is called as agenda, and writing an agenda and also follow that agenda is an important, very important. Eliminate distractors. Eliminate distractors. So now there are so many obstacles, so many threats in the way of distractions rather than. So distractions. So when you want to go to movie, that is a distraction and wasting your time. Or when you want to go to the football court, and that is a distraction. So that is eliminate distraction. So then another one is set goals for each study section. Each study session you set goals. So today I am going to read botany. So in the botany I should read these topics. I should get it by the end of the day. So like that, you set goals for study sessions, that each study session. So study sessions, that is each study session you should set a goal. Start working on assignments early. So don't write all the examination that college is going to conduct. So don't miss it. So that is, start working on all exams. Start writing all assignments, and I mean here writing, what I mean to say, start doing all assignments, and also don't miss a single examination, maybe a weekend exam, maybe a part-time exam, maybe a grand test exam. During these days, don't miss any single one of the exam. So then work on one thing at one time. Work on one thing at a time. Work on one thing at a time. One thing at a time. So don't think multitask will give you the benefits. You will not get anything. So always concentrate to work on a particular subject, on a particular topic at one time. After getting that, you can go for that. So then study in short intervals study in shorter bursts, study or give gap or break after study schedules. So that is what you are supposed to do. After reading 1 hour or so, give 5 minutes or break. Then revise what you have read, recollect what you have read, put questions by yourself, get the answers by yourself, or take a cup of coffee or a milk or move this way or that way. Such type of gap is required, or break or short intervals are required instead of continuously studying. And remember, if you manage the time, you will be able to get what you want in your life. Don't postpone the things. Don't procrastinate the study schedule. Don't procrastinate what you are supposed to read today, because remember, procrastination is a thief of time. Once you lose the time, you can't get it back. So during these 1.5 months, work hard, sincerely, honestly, joyfully, and you will get what you want, and you will achieve your goal, and you will get an admission in MBBS as you wish, and you will enter in a medical college. All the best.